Hey, baby. This is the bright area. It's a chimney all the way to the top. And you've got a nice counter there. Oh, the pool is nice and deep as well. Then there's the Boma area. Oh, this is nice as well. It's just busha. You're taking pictures, huh? You're taking pictures. Yeah, that's why I'm also taking a video. Oh, it looks like it has an outdoor shower. Guess this is the living dining area, or you can make the dining there and living or dining, however. Oh, there's more storage space. I love storage. Outdoor shower, I saw it. I saw it from outside and I was like, this is the outdoor shower from outside. Yes. Outdoor shower. This is my favorite thing. Sold. It's got a tap, handheld, basin. Can I close the door here? Lock the door as well? Did you come this side as well? Ooh, big shower. So this would be the kitchen.
Kitchen is going to be an L shape.
Yeah.
An island. And on that side you're also going to have cupboard space and where you put your dishwasher.
Okay, utility tablet. Okay. This is bedroom. Yeah, bedroom. The showers are nice. Oh, this one even has a sitting place, huh? so 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Oh, this is big, huh? Master's quite spacious. This is the road.
What will be the price after, approximately?
2.4.
2.4. So approximately the same as the other one.
Right?
Yeah.
Pool. Like the cupboard. Oh, I love the stone in the shower.
Looks nice, huh?
Yeah. But the first house is still my favorite. But I like this wood, huh? The finishings here are lovely.
It's modern.
Yeah.
What we are looking for.
Oh, this is a different stone here, which is nice. Chef. Yeah, this is nice. When it- Oh, nice. This can be. Oh, this is different and cool. The floating shelves. Oh, the nice long windows are nice. Beautiful. Now walk around. This is a nice also outside big sitting area. think that's your gas supply. Can someone tell me why I'm walking by myself in this forest? And we're back.